Hello everyone, this is Not from KraftWork again with another tutorial for the Oregon Outpost, a new gacha set that is going to be soon released at the Epiphany anniversary round on July 15th, so just in a few days. And again, just like the other two previous gachas, I am going to show you the auto move system, so I'll be raising the parts and allowing them to move into the places so you can see how many parts there are in the set and how many parts can be used in another situation. So let's say you didn't get one of the rares, or you got decoration, you got separate parts, how you could be using these in different setups. I'm starting the res system with the van, which is the rare and one of the rares, and the van is going to control the auto move system. So let's say you didn't get the van, you are going to be moving the parts by yourself. But if you got the rare, that is going to control all the other parts movement. So I'm going to start with the rare. The next part that I'm going to res is the suspended platform. So you see I have the van rotated on my desired position, and I just res the platform, and it not only moves into place but also rotates to the same position that the van is. This part, the platform, you can use in any other situation. It has some bricks here because that's the funny part. It has these bricks as a support, but I left them as a separate part so you can actually unlink them and relink, or you can take them to your inventory and then move them back into place. So the rare, van, and then the platform and the cabin is going to be in the same pack as another rare. And here's the cabin. So we have the rare number 1 and the rare number 2. Now I am going to res the bed, and the bed is actually the only item that you're not going to be allowed to use in other setups because it's really meshed to be inside the van. So let me just move here and you can see. This is the bed. Now I am going to res the pillows that go inside the cabin. So here you can see the pillows. These pillows can also be used in other setups. And we have the van curtains and the rug. If you want, you can also use both of them in different setups. You can unlink them. They are linked to here because it's easier to move both of them together, but you can unlink the rug from the curtains. And the curtains are only on a bar, so you can place them against something else. There is only this little detail here that they kind of fall on this little step here. Now let's see another part. I have the ivy, and it comes with a little step pallet to get inside the van. These parts are also just linked. You can unlink the pallet. Now we have the cooking items. So this is the cooktop, and this one we can just, it doesn't have auto move, so we can just place it inside like this. And then we have a bar with mugs and a little tablecloth. This one you can also use in different setups. And then we have pens and plates. And I'm going to move them inside. Then we have the hanging towels. The hanging towels move to this side here, and they could be a little bit hard to use in other setups, but if you have some sort of a bar or some sort of, I don't know, a structure to hang them, it's fine, you can use it too. Now let's see, we have the cabin curtains. So the curtains can also be used in other setups. We have the shelf. Also can be used anywhere. We have the old television. It is just a decoration. Can also be used. Oops. And we have the outdoor shower. I said that only the bed was really made to be used with the van, because maybe depending on the setup you have, you could also use the outdoor shower if you have like a small structure or a fence or something that you can decorate or be creative. You could put this bucket in a different surface and have the outdoor shower working the same way. Now we have a set of 3 different plants, and I'm gonna move them over there so you can see better. So we have this little palm. We have this other potted plant, and we have a hanging plant. When I was making the photo, I was putting them here on the staircase. I was also making them bigger. I always forget that Black Dragon messes up with the texture, so I'll just leave them there. No, I'll have to fix, so there we go. And then we have our picnic table. And we have our cheese, a glass set as a decoration for the picnic table. Okay. So here we are with this new set that has the same auto move system that we seen in the Tuscany 1969 and also on the 3/4 set. I'm bringing it again in this kind of boho hippie van, and you will find animations on the bed, you will find animations on the van, the picnic table, the pillows, and the outdoor shower has animations and also water effect and sounds. And the pillows, one common is a PG version, another common is going to be an adult version, as well as the bed. The bed has 2 versions and they come in separate packs. All the plants come in 1 pack, all the pans and this bar and plates and the cooktop come in another set. So, well, that's it. This is our new set. I hope you like it, and if you have any doubts you can message me and I'll be ready to help you. Thank you.